Request. Ask for something. Request, verb.
Pedir, solicitar, requerer.
Request, noun.
Pedido, solicitação. Requerimento.
Be polite. To be gentle and respectful. Be polite.
Ser educado.
When you make requests, there are situations you need to be very polite. And there are situations you don't need to. When you're speaking with a voice assistant, for example, you don't need to be polite. You can give an instruction only using the verb in the imperative. Okay Google, turn on coffee maker.
Got it. Turning the coffee maker on.
Alexa, turn on the microwave.
For how long?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Would you like me to play music now?
If you are an angry mother, you use only the imperative to.
Oh, my God. What a mess.
Yes, I don't know what to do.
You're in trouble, young lady. Clean up this mess, or you won't watch your favorite cartoon today.
Okay, Mommy, I'll clean it up.
Here are your clothes, Dre. Come on, hurry up and change. Dre? Pick up your jacket.
If you want to be a little polite, start the request with, can.
Dre, for the 100th time, can you please pick up your jacket?
At Joel and Nicole's house.
Honey, I need to go to the bathroom. Can you take the groceries out of the car?
Yes, I'll take them out.
Honey, can you walk the dogs this morning?
I'm sorry, babe, but I can't. I'm busy this morning. I have a lot of online meetings.
At the Joneses' house. In the kitchen. The trash bag is full.
Honey, can you come here? Can you take the trash out?
Okay, I'll take it out.
A few minutes later.
Mom, can you make me a sandwich?
Sure. Would you like anything to drink with your sandwich?
Yes, can you make me some orange juice?
Okay, honey, I'd be glad to.
I'd be glad to.
Eu ficaria feliz. Te ajudo com prazer.
Later in their backyard.
Dad, can you play soccer with me?
Yes, son, I'd be glad to.
If you want to be more polite, use could or would.
Oh crap. I need to buy a new window. I'm calling a glass service store.
At a glass service store.
King of Glass, good afternoon. How could I help you?
Hi, I broke my window playing soccer. Could you come here today to see it?
I'm sorry, But I don't have any gaps in my schedule for today. But I have a gap tomorrow morning. Would that be okay?
Yes, that would be great. My address is.
At school.
Excuse me, Mrs. Carter. I'm a little confused. Could you explain it again?
Sure, I'd be glad to.
Later at biology class.
Today, we're gonna talk about genetics. Yes, Kyle.
Mr. Smith, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but would you turn on the air conditioner?
Okay, it's too hot today. I'll turn it on.
And to be even more polite, use, would you mind?
Mind. Noun.
Mente. Cabeça.
Mind. Verb.
Importar-se. Preocupar-se.
Do you mind?
Would you mind turning down the music? Would you mind turning down the music? After the verb mind, we always use gerund.
So today, we're gonna talk about Egyptian history. Yes, Kyle.
I'm sorry, Mr. Thompson. I can't hear you clearly. Would you mind speaking more loudly?
Sorry, I didn't notice I was speaking too quietly. I'll speak loudly.
A few minutes later.
Ellen, would you mind not using your cell phone in class? You're distracting the students that want to learn the subject.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Thompson. I'll put the phone away. I promise this won't happen again.
You saw 3 ways to make requests: impolite, polite, and very polite. Let's compare them.
Impolite. Polite. Very polite. Imperatives. Can you? Could you? Would you? Would you mind?
That's all for today, guys. Have a good one.
Have a good one. Way to say goodbye. It's similar to have a good day, or have a good afternoon, or have a good night, or have a good weekend, etc., but without specifying the time.
That's all for today, guys. Have a good one.
The end.